Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am going to share with you some quick tips for increasing fertility naturally. A preconception test before pregnancy is one of the best ways to ensure that there are no pre-existing health issues that can harm the baby. Usually, the preconception test include a detailed evaluation of your medical history, for instance, your medical history, vaccination, and so on. The first tip is watch your caffeine consumption. You can have 1 or 2 cups of tea a day. Excessive caffeine intake may lead to fertility issues. Eat a healthy diet. You should try to eat a nutritious, balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Healthy foods help increase progesterone levels, a key hormone in maintaining pregnancy, support ovulation, and encourage early implantation, 3 critical factors in conceiving. Foods like beetroot, capsicum, etc. is beneficial in boosting fertility. Try to increase the protein intake by eating a high-protein diet that consists of sprouted beans, soybeans, paneer, dal, beans, egg whites, fish, and chicken. Fruits like raspberries and blueberries are rich in natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatory phytonutrients, which help in boosting fertility levels. They are also a good source of folate, vitamin C, which can help with fetal development. Eating more calories at breakfast and fewer at your evening meal can improve fertility. To boost fertility levels, avoid foods high in trans fats. Eat foods rich in healthy fats instead, such as extra virgin olive oil. Eating a diet high in refined carbs may raise insulin levels, which may increase the risk of infertility and make it harder to get pregnant. Ovulation prediction kits can also help you to predict the best time to get pregnant. These kits are easily available in the market. Here's how it works. The first day of your menstrual period is considered day 1. Start testing on day 9 and keep going until you get a positive. So, this is the best time you can try. If you do not want to buy an ovulation kit, then you can check your cervical mucus. It usually becomes thin and slippery. It resembles like an egg white when you are most fertile. Some women may also feel a one-sided twinge of pain. Taking a multivitamin may help boost fertility if you are not getting all the nutrients you need from your diet. A sedentary lifestyle is linked to infertility, and exercise can improve fertility. However, exercising too much can have the opposite effect. Replacing low-fat dairy products with high-fat versions may help improve fertility and increase your chances of getting pregnant. Eating more protein from vegetable sources instead of animal sources may help improve fertility levels in women. High stress and anxiety levels can reduce your chances of conception. Managing your stress level can increase your chances of becoming pregnant. Infertility in men may be the only reason that a couple can't conceive, or it may simply add to the difficulties caused by the infertility in their partner. So, it's crucial that men get tested for fertility as well as women. It's also important that men do it early. Studies show that smoking can lead to DNA damage in sperm. Some evidence shows that men with elevated sperm with DNA damage may have reduced fertility and higher miscarriage rates. A low sperm count is also called Oligospermia. A complete absence of sperm is called azoospermia. This also can contribute to women's infertility. Thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get all my new video notifications. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.